Hello, everyone. Today I would introduce two concepts about coronavirus. One is reproduction number, another is social immunity. Here is scientific definition of reproduction number in epidemiology. So you should be aware of R0 is not a biological constant. However, it is related to environmental conditions and the behavior of the infected community. Reproduction number 0 is a number, is a average number. It means one infected person can transfer totally how many people? Yeah. If this number is less than 1, that's good news. For example, one infected person transferred to half person, the half infected person transferred to the 0.25% and less, eventually this transmission process will be stopped. If R0 is equal 1, one infected person transfer the virus to another person and she or he is recovered. Another person transferred to third person and she and he will be recovered. So from 1 to 1, from 1 to 1. This will be local transmission, not a problem, big problem. Okay. If R0 is greater than 1, that's a big problem. If we call it epidemic or pandemic. For example, for Ebola, R0 is equal to one infected person transferred to 2, 2 transferred to 4, 4 transferred to 8, etc. For SARS, R0 is 4. There's one infected person transferred to 4, 4 transferred to next 16 people. So very fast, you see R0 is a larger transmission process, is faster. So two results for affected people: death. If death, then virus is there, stopped. Another infected but immunized, this the body immune system can remember it. Next time this virus comes in again, the body immune system exactly know how to deal with this virus. Yeah. So when a virus first came into a body, immune system consider this virus as a stranger. They want to kill it. However, because first time to come, so this immune system like want to kill them like a bomb. So this not only killed virus, also killed good cell. That's cause the problem. Yeah, for your lung problem, another parts of your body. Yeah, that's a problem. So let's think something about extreme case. What extreme case? If R0 is greater than 1, so if there is no control measure, that virus goes through everyone in a closed system or in a community or in a country or in the whole world. Two results, either death or immunized. Then this virus will be gone. The epidemic is ended. So this R0 is fundamental parameters. If larger, is more powerful, transmission is faster. So this table give you different R0, give you the R0 values for different disease. You see the measles is very high. One person can transfer is more than 12% to 18. Most we concerned is about coronavirus. What is R0 number? Yeah. So generally we can assume this R0 for coronavirus is 3. Next question is, so one on average, one person can transfer to 3 persons. How long does it take from transmission from 1 to 3? 1 day, 2 days, 10 days, 20 days, 2 months, 1 year? Yeah. How long? For example, so a person A got infected. Infected is infected, not sick. Yeah, because not cough, fever. After a time period, this infected person started cough, get fever, feel tiredness, and is difficulty breathing. Yeah. So from infected to start to become sick, the time period is called latent time period. Latent time period is what said for the coronavirus is from 3 days to 20 days. Let's take average 8 days. We see in these 8 days, this infected person A has the same ability to transfer this variance to another person, for example, to person B, and the person B is also experienced 8 days for latent time period, then started cough, fever. Yeah. So there's a time gap between uh, person A sick and person B sick. This time, for example, that's 4 days. This 4 days is called generation time. That's the transmission time from one generation to another. Yeah. Let's focus on New York City. Yeah. So let's take R0 is equal 3. Generation time is 4 days. New York City population is about 8 millions. So that this variance freely goes through all New Yorkers. See how long they will go through all New Yorkers. Let's make a simple calculation. Yeah. First person, first New Yorker gets this coronavirus, then transfer to 3 people. 3 people transfer to 9 people. 9 people to 27 people, and so on. Eventually, after n generation, then go through all New Yorkers. All New Yorkers. We know this number. Yeah. This is geometric series can be simply calculated by this formula. This is the total number of New Yorkers. So we can solve this equation. Then we can solve the nth generation. So these coronavirus go all New Yorkers need 15.2 generation. So now 15.2 generation and 1 generation is 4 days. So we can calculate how many days these variants can go through all New Yorkers. 61 days. That is exactly the sum of March and April. Who was the first infected person, infected New Yorker, and when? March 1st. She is a 39-year-old woman, healthcare worker, who lived in Manhattan. She had returned from Iran on February 25th. So let this, so that you can see if let this occurrence, if there is no control, that occurrence freely goes through all New Yorkers, that will be ended at the end of April. However, this is based on assumption. NYC, New York City is a closed system. No person in criminal person out. Yeah, just like New York City is on a huge course